Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the 80K Woods Walker channel. We focus on everything having to do with outdoor adventure. Today we're climbing the Kane Mountain Fire Tower, and there's a number of special guests. Stick around. Hi, pretty.
I'm a tree. You can't see me.
I'm really liking your hiking skills, my man.
All right, we made it to the fire tower. Awesome. This thing was built in 1925 and it is 60 feet tall, and Dan has something to say. Content! Since the kids did such an awesome job, we have Oreos of Achievement. Let's give that to them. Hey guys.
Dude.
Oreos of Achievement.
Caleb.
One package is yours. Go ahead,
Mommies,
JR.
look.
Caleb, a package of Oreos because you climbed the mountain, dude.
They're Oreos of Achievement.
Oreos of Achievement.
Open it up. Are you so excited?
Quinn, you have Oreos of Achievement also. I'm probably going to give these to Dad, though, because you got it? Make sure you give them to Dad, and he'll help you. Good job climbing a mountain, homie.
You say thank you? No, I can't because my mouth is full of crackers.
I have some meat and cheese for you. Yes. Good boy. And I have something for you, too. My Miss Korra Bean. How'd you guys like the tower? Did you go all the way up?
I hated it.
What did you think, Les?
Good.
Yeah.
You loved it, right?
JR, I'm scared of heights, too,
So
dude.
afraid of heights.
Same.
Bye-bye. Sayonara. Shalom.
All right, we made it to the top of the fire tower. A little breezy, a little chilly, but awesome views. Via the Yellow Trail, it is 1.2 miles from the parking area here, and the effort is totally worth it. Check this out. So yeah, the kids did a great job, the puppies did a great job. This is Korra's very first fire tower hike, and I couldn't be more proud. I think it was awesome, we did a great job, and I'm really excited. This is great. Hang out, have some lunch, bark at the leaves and squirrels and stuff, and then make our way back to the car. It's awesome stuff.
you, Cheese? Cheese.
You did it, dude.
Good job. I coughed right in the camera. Good job.
What do you think, dude?
Extreme close up. All right, we made it back to the parking lot, and I think everybody had a good time for the most part. What'd you think? JR, where are you, buddy? Oh, he's being a funny guy. Let's talk to Caleb first. Caleb, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
Hello.
JR, did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Quinn.
Hello.
Hello. Did you have fun?
Say Happy Halloween.
Jeez. I think Quinn had a really good time. The dogs had a very good time. This is Sunny. Sunny days. I like to eat the things.
Did you have bacon?
Cool. And obviously Miss Korra. She's getting pet right now, so I had a lot of fun. It was good. Now what's interesting is, let's see if the dads had a good time. Adam, what'd you think?
All Trails said 2 miles. This was 3.37 miles actually. So he was great.
That's fun. John, how was your time on the trail today?
No one's hurt. The wife won't kill me.
It's a big win. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead, click the thumbs up, subscribe, share it. We'll see you next time.